So how many books have you written so far?
18.
18. My goodness. This guy churns out books like a restaurant would churn out dim sum. So buy a copy of his book.
Hi again, it's me, Michael Dollar. Welcome back to my channel.
And you know what? Siguro ganito na lang. If you have accomplished so much in your life and you are now teaching and equipping a lot of people, what is the one ugali na gusto mong ma-eradicate sa kultura ng Pinoy? At lahat ng mga nandito sa bansa dito, sana mawala na yan. It will propel them to a lifestyle and a journey of discipline so they can achieve success in life.
It's pessimism and hopelessness.
Mm-hmm.
Yung negative ang mag-isip. Whenever I give sessions, parang sometimes I feel na nawala na sila talagang pag-asa.
Mm-hmm.
Kahit ano sabihin mo sa kanila, para sa'yo lang. Para sa amin.
Oh, yeah.
Yung parang mindset na
that's true.
nabuhay kaming ganito.
Mm-hmm.
Mamamatay kaming ganito.
Right.
Hindi mo naintindihan kung anong pinagdadaanan namin.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of looking at the solution, they're more focused on the problem.
Correct.
Instead of, and honestly, it really pains me. Pains me in the sense na, kasi ang thinking, ang problema ko pera.
Mm-hmm.
Bigyan mo ako ng pera.
Mm-hmm.
Wag mo na lang turo.
Mm-hmm.
Kulang ko lang talaga puhunan.
Mm-hmm.
O sige, kung yan talagang problema mo puhunan. Let's say, bigyan ka ng 1 million ngayon, pero wala kang alam.
Yeah.
Ano magagawa mo sa 1? Mauubos yan.
Mm-hmm.
Tanggalin mo ang pera ng isang bilyonaryo.
Mm-hmm.
Business niya, tanggalin mo. Balikan mo siya after 1 year.
Balik.
Yes, that's the point.
Exactly.
But still, yun nga, it really pains me na if you're trapped, and I cannot blame people who live so long, yan sa sobrang tagal na sila naghirap, ninakawan na talaga ng pag-asa. Kaya nga, ang pakiusap ko lang sa inyo, may isang bagay lang. Mawala na po ang lahat. Pera, lahat. Huwag ka lang mawala ng pag-asa. Because he who has hope in the future has power in the present. And he who does not have hope in the future have no power in the present. That's according to John Maxwell. Kaya nga, guys, ito lang sabihin ko ha. Sana paggising po natin dyan. Yes, nalugi ka. Yes, na-scam ka. Yes, may nawalan ka ng trabaho. Pero lumabang ka. Diba? Na may isang Diyos na buhay na hindi ka iiwanan at pababayaan. May isang Diyos na buhay na bibigyan ka ng bagong panimula. Na may isang Diyos na buhay na bibigyan ka ng panibagong idea, panibagong kalakasan para harapin mo ang iyong problema.
That's why it has been said, man can go for 40 days without food and live. Nangyari na yan. Kilala ko mga nagpa-fast for 40 days. Man can even go for 3 days without water and still survive. There are certain cases where man can go for even 3 minutes, 2 minutes without oxygen. They're still existing. But no man can live without a second of hope.
Yeah.
Kaya yung hope na yan, pag pessimism tsaka hopelessness, may kakambal yan eh.
Ano?
Victim's mindset.
Ay, oo.
Lagi na lang ako ang biktima, hindi kasi tayo pinanganak mayaman, hindi ko nagpag-aral, so forth and so on.
Yeah.
But maybe in one of our future episodes, pag-aaralan natin yung journey mo naman, where we all came from. Kasi ang nakikita mo lang yung finished product.
Yeah.
Pero yung mga struggles and life journey may even be more challenging compared to many of them.
Tama.
So, if there's one more thing that you'd like to share with our listeners and our viewers, what would be your message for them? A message of encouragement and a message that can inspire them.
Alam mo, if there's only one message that I can leave this world before I depart.
Isa ka ba pupunta?
Divisoria. Tapos, ang isang message ko lang is, I pray that you will find your purpose in life. The first miracle that can ever happen to a person is the day that you were born. You just imagine, the day that you were born, you're already considered as a winner.
Mhm.
Bakit? Dahil milyong-milyong sinilya ang lumabas sa tatay mo, ikaw lang ang nabuhay. Ang dami mo nang tinalo.
Oo.
So you're not an accident. You are not an unwanted person. Diba? And then the second miracle that can ever happen to a person's life is to discover their purpose in life.
Mhm.
Kasi you may be alive, but you may not have life. Buhay ka, pero wala ka namang kabuhay-buhay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Kasi hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo eh. Bakit ba ako nasa mundong ibabaw na ito? Ano bang gagawin ko? Ano bang purpose ko? Ano ba yung contribution ko? At saan ba ako magaling?
True.
But once you discover your purpose,
Mhm.
it will give you direction in life.
That is so true. That's why a philosopher once said this. Most people live lives of quiet desperation. Kasi walang purpose. They're not living, they're existing lang.
Mm.
Sayang, they miss out on the opportunity.
Mm.
Yeah. And that purpose is uniquely yours.
Yes.
So, kaya wala ring silbi yung may ingkit ka sa iba. Ay, buhay nila, hindi naman iyo yun eh.
Tama.
And yours is very unique. You know, Chinky, I wish we have the whole day walang katapusan itong conversation.
Grabe.
And I'd like to thank you for giving us time and
Yeah.
gracing this episode. Maraming salamat,
Yeah.
Chinky.
Thank you, Ninong. It's an honor and privilege really to, again, the reason why I am what I am right now is no other than this man. That's the reason why if you don't like my content, my production, you know who to blame. Yun lang.
Success isn't just about what we achieve. It's about what we learn along the way. In today's conversation, sigurado ako, you have been given a fresh perspective or a new idea. You gotta carry it forward. You gotta apply it, share it, subscribe as well. And then, don't forget, life is all about serving others as well, but we gotta be equipped to be able to do so. And this is what we learned today from Chikitan. Salamat!
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Till our next episode.
Hi again, it's me, Michael Dollar. Welcome back to my channel. God is good all the time. Yeah. Ayun, hanggang dito lang tayo guys. Kung bago para sa aking channel, please like my channel, follow my channel, Michael Dollar sa Facebook, pati sa aking YouTube. Subscribe my channel and share kung meron ka natutunan sa ating pagpanood mo sa aking video. So once again, it's me, Michael Dollar. God is good all the time. Maraming salamat. Once again, it's Michael Dollar. God bless you all. Tanda po natin lahat na mahal tayo ng Panginoong Iso.